Are you too fed up with your habit of snoring? Guess what? The problem is your pillow. Yes, you heard it right. You might be contributing to the problem by choosing the wrong pillow. The solution is UltraCare Pro's ERGO Contour Cervical Neck Pillow, specially designed by orthopedic experts. Thanks to its contour design, the pillow upholds the neck at correct posture, which promotes better airway alignment and thus helps with snoring. Whether you sleep on your back or sideways, the contour design also ensures perfect spine alignment and offers optimal support to the neck and shoulders. It features a BSF memory foam design and has the optimal density, which allows you to sleep soundly through the night after a long day's work. Grab yours now from ultracarepro.in.